Can you explain to me where my heart beats faster when I see you around? And are you some kind of an angel of love that doesn't seem to recognize? Or am I the only one? And if so, I'd be more than happy to tell you my name. In return, I would hope for the same, so I know who you
Are you guys gonna do your Maori faces?
are. The way you smile.